think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hey guys, I am Courtney B and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are an oldie, thank you so much for clicking on another video and for supporting your girl. If you guys are new to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click that subscribe button and make sure you turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an upload from me. In today's video, you guys, Cricut had a really good sale and I went ahead and decided I want to take advantage of that sale, and I decided I wanted to purchase the Cricut Easy Press. So that's what today's video is all about. I'm going to be doing an unboxing, and I'm also going to do my first little project with the Cricut Easy Press. So like I said, I did take advantage and I wanted to show you guys everything that I got because I bought a whole bunch of stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this box and show you guys everything that I purchased. Alright, so I guess I'll just show you guys the Easy Press first. So this is it, and I want to kind of dabble into doing my own t-shirts just for me and my family, and I'm gonna see if I can master that. So I'll go ahead and open that up first, and then I'll start taking everything out of the box. with you guys. So before I go ahead and finish setting up my easy press, I wanted to go ahead and print off the design that I'm going to use on my bag. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to turn on my Cricut. So I'm going to do that part first. Let's turn it on. And then, like I promised, so people had asked in some of my comments in previous videos, how did I edit my designs? So I wanted to show you guys how Phonto works. So that's what I'm gonna do. I went ahead and I figured out which font I wanted. I always use daffont.com. So then after I do that, I just go into Phonto. Alright guys, so first up, you just go ahead and open up the Phonto app. And then from there, you just click the little camera. Once you click on the camera, just choose plain images. And then from there, choose whichever image you want, whichever background. I just choose the basic white, or sometimes I'll do the basic black. Hit use. And then once you do that, you will just start adding in the text. You just click in it, hit add text, and then start typing whatever it is from the fonts from Daffont. And then I'm just choosing my font. And then once I get everything typed, I will go ahead and change it to a color so that I can see what I'm doing. And then I just position my text how I would like it. All right, so once I get everything positioned to where I want it, I will just go ahead at the bottom and I will click the little it's an arrow and a square in the bottom right hand corner, and then you just save image as a PNG, and then once it says save successfully, you just hit OK. Alright guys, so that's how I do everything in Phonto. So now it's time for me to go ahead and cut out my vinyl, and I chose this really pretty black glitter vinyl, and I think it will look super cute on my bag. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open this up, and then I'm gonna cut out my vinyl. Then I do like to try to keep everything intact just so I'll know what type of vinyl it is. So I'm just gonna roll this up and put it inside of my roll so I will know. I'm gonna go ahead and cut out all my measurements now. Okay guys, so it's finished cutting. So next I'm just gonna go ahead and weed out my design. Alright guys, so here is my little design. I finished weeding it out and I think it came out really good. Just says Cortney.b Designs. So now I'm gonna figure out my easy press. I'm gonna go ahead and I know I need to preheat it, so I also wanted to quickly tell you guys, if you go on Cricut.com, it will tell you what all settings you need to put your easy press on. So of course I have the easy press 2, and then I'm just gonna choose my material. I have glitter. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be the everyday iron-on or glitter. I'm just gonna choose glitter. Hopefully it'll come out right. And then I looked inside of the canvas bag and it said, I think this is a canvas bag, but it said 100% cotton. So that's what I'm gonna put, 100% cotton. And then I'm gonna choose the Cricut Easy Press Matte because I do have that. So I'm gonna hit apply, and then it'll tell me what all I need to set it to. And it just says that I need to preheat it to 330 degrees Fahrenheit, and then I need to do 30 seconds of light pressure, and then I'll just flip it and press for 15 more seconds on the other side. And then it also tells me that I need to peel it off on a cool peel, because some vinyl will require you to peel it on a warm peel. So this one is cool. So that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do now. And then here are the buttons. It seems like it's pretty easy and self-explanatory. I'm just gonna power it on, and I'm gonna set it on the temperature to 330. So 330. And then it says to press it for 30 seconds. And now it's just warming up. So I'm just gonna let it warm up, and then I will, while that's warming, I'm gonna go ahead and open up my mat. And then I know I do need to also iron it first, so I think I probably should put a few more seconds on it. I'll just set it for 35 seconds right now, because I need to iron it first. Okay guys, so it preheated really fast, and it beeped when it was ready, and it turned green. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do a quick iron over it, and it is really hot. Okay guys, so first up is this one. And now I just need to figure out where exactly I want to put it on my bag. So I'm gonna do that first before I go ahead and iron. Okay guys, so I changed mats. I just felt like I needed the bigger mat, so I went with that one. And now I'm gonna finally go ahead and press everything on. So hopefully I know what I'm doing. But I'm gonna put it on here and start the timer. And I think I am gonna have to press over here on this side, because my easy press is not that big. It's not big enough. Okay, then it says just flip it and press it for 15 seconds. So I'm gonna flip it over, and then I'm gonna put the timer down to 15. I'll do it this way. Alright y'all, so now I'm just gonna let it cool down, and then I'm gonna go ahead and peel it off and see if it came out right. Alright guys, so it's finally cool to the touch. It didn't take that long for it to cool off, so I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start peeling. And just like that, I have my design. So this is how the front of it looks. And I am really pleased with the Cricut glitter vinyl, but I have something that I want to do to the back. I'm gonna do that off camera, and then I'm gonna show you guys my reveal of my Cricut bag after I'm all done. Okay guys, so I am finished ironing on the other side, and I wanted to finally show it to you guys. And this is what I went with, and it's just a cute little quote. It says, all I need is a little coffee and a lot of crafting. And if you guys watched any of my previous videos, then you already know I love my coffee, so I thought that it was very fitting for me. And yeah guys, that is how this turned out. I think it came out really good. I am really pleased with the Cricut vinyl so far, the iron-on vinyl. I know some people either love it or hate it, and right now I am loving it. And then as far as my easy press goes, I did want to let you guys know I chose, I think it's the 6x7, which I think it is one of the smaller ones, or the smallest ones with the easy press. Eventually I'm gonna upgrade and get a bigger one, because so far so good on that. Also, the only negative that I would have to say is I did have a hard time registering my easy press on the Cricut website. So if they can fix that, then I'll give it 5 stars. But yeah guys, that is the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
What a wonderful world.